friends. I'm here in the New Delhi World Book Fair and I met a new friend, Pallavi, that is also an author for the same publisher as mine. We are in BPB booth at the moment. So Pallavi, please introduce yourself and I'm very excited to hear your story.
Hey Luca, thank you so much. Hi, my name is Pallavi and I'm an author with BBB Publications and my book is on Selenium with BBB and Lucas is here, hands-on Ansible automation. Please read our books. Thank you.
I'm so excited. So tell me more about your expertise in Selenium and how, what is your best use case?
Okay, cool. My expertise in Selenium is I've been using Selenium for around 10 plus years. I have built solutions around it. I have coached people on Selenium. We have organized conferences on Selenium. I'm a committer with Selenium project. I mainly contribute to their documentation. So
Oh,
yeah,
congratulations! That is nice.
thank you, Luca. What about you?
Well, you know that I'm really active on the Ansible ecosystem. That is more like infrastructure. So when you have many servers to babysit, you don't want to do things manually. And I'm crazy because I have been working with Red Hat for 3 years on the Ansible engineering team,
Okay.
and I thought that creating a book was a nice experience to share my knowledge with the world. And how difficult was publishing a book?
Well, BBB made it quite seamless. I have to commend them. And I met Mr. Manish, the owner of BBB Publication, at his office. He was very kind, and yeah, it was. We did that in 2015 when we first met.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
great.
so it's been a long association now.
But I saw that you didn't publish just one book.
No, I did three with them. Two more are yet to be done. Like I have to write them. I'm trying my best.
I
It's
know.
a tough thing.
Somehow we know the hustle and bustle being behind the scene before creating a book. But what is your pivotal moment? What what you like more about writing and publishing?
What do I like more about writing and publishing? The sheer joy of sharing your knowledge with the world out there, and when someone buys it and drops a kind comment, that's the best earning I get.
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Sometimes some guy dropped me a line on LinkedIn and
Yeah.
they made my day because, well, the other day one guy said, "You are my Ansible hero."
Oh, nice.
Wow, I mean, it made my day.
Yeah, it
I had
does.
sometimes you have this day, sometimes you have this day that are not great
Right.
and you receive this message, great.
Yeah.
So, thank you for sharing.
Thank you, Luca. Thank you.
And best wishes for everything. And
Thanks.
one last question.
Sure.
How you see the future?
Future is always bright.
That's so great. I'm so excited. So stay connected and follow my new friend. Let me show you again her name so you can follow her on this wonderful resource. So Pallavi Sharma was a pleasant having on this show.
Thank you so much, Luca.
Bye. Bye
Bye.
bye.
Bye.